I welcome to all on the course of Element of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to solve some numerical problem based upon the Bernoulli's equation. So let's start the problem. The water is flowing through a pipe having diameter 300 mm and 200 mm at the bottom end and the upper end respectively. The intensity of pressure at the bottom end is 24.525 Newton per centimeter square and the pressure at the upper end is 9.81 Newton per centimeter square. Determine the difference in bottom head if the rate of flow through the pipe is 40 liter per second. So this is the question. Accordingly question, here you have to draw the diagram. In this question you observe the pipe having different dimension, different diameter, and the orientation is one end is upper end, another is the bottom end. So accordingly we have to draw the diagram. So here is the diagram you observe, and this is the bottom end and this is the upper end, and both diameter having d1 is 300 mm and d2 is the 200 mm, and both end pressure is given, and in this problem you have to calculate the difference in bottom head, means z2 minus z1 you have to calculate, and here rate of flow is given. So first you have to write down the given data. The given data, d1 is equal to 300 mm, that is 0.30 meter, and d2 is equal to 200 mm, that is 0.20 meter. Then the pressure at the bottom end P1 is equal to, in the question is given 24.525 Newton per centimeter square. Then you have to convert Newton per centimeter square to Newton per meter square. Then you have to multiply 10 to the power 4. So finally you are getting 24.525 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. Like that, the pressure at the upper end P2 is given 9.81 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. And in this question, Q is equal to 40 liter per second. So you have to convert liter to meter cube. So how to convert? You have to multiply 10 to the power minus 3. So 40 into 10 to the power minus 3, that will come meter cube per second. Then you have to convert liter per second to meter cube per second. Then you have to multiply 10 to the power minus 3. Then both end area you have to calculate. So area at the bottom end of this pipe A1 is equal to pi by 4 d1 square, that is pi by 4 into 0.30 square, that will come 0.0706 meter square. Like that you have to calculate the area at the upper end, that is A2 is equal to pi by 4 d2 square, that is pi by 4 0.20 square, that will come, if you calculate you will get 0.0314 meter square. Then you are calculate the area and Q is given, so easily you can calculate the velocity at the both end. Now you are calculating the velocity of liquid at the bottom end, that is V1 is equal to Q by A1. All of you know that Q is equal to AV, area into velocity. So velocity is equal to Q by A. Now you are calculating velocity at the bottom end, that's why writing V1. So V1 is equal to Q by A1. So Q1 already given 40 into 10 to the power 3. Then A1 is equal to 0.0706. Then it will come, if you calculate you will get 0.56 meter per second. Like that we can calculate the velocity of the liquid at the bottom end. So this is the the velocity of the liquid at the upper end. The velocity of the liquid at the upper end, V2 is equal to Q by A2, then 40 into 10 to the power 3 by A2 just now you are calculated, that is 0.314 meter square. That will come, if you calculate, it will come 1.27 meter per second. Now you are calculate the velocity at the both end. Now you are calculating, now you are applying the Bernoulli's equation. The Bernoulli's equation, all of you know that the total energy is constant. So you can write P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. So in this question, pressure intensity both end as given, and here you are taking the water, so density of the water is 1000 and g value, that is 9.81. so here pressure is known, velocity is known, only you have to call, here unknown is Z1 and the Z2. So bring it to one side, that is Z2 minus Z1 is equal to P1 by rho g minus P2 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g minus V2 square by 2g. So here all the data is given. So P1 is given, that is 24.525 in 10 to the power 4 by density of the water 1000, G is 9.81 minus P2 is given 9.81 in 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square, then 1000 into 9.81. So here pressure, and here velocity is given V1 0.56 square by 2 into 9.81 minus V2 square 1.27 square by 2 into 9.81. So here you will calculate the Z2 minus Z1, that is 15. This is this value, if you calculate you will get 15, then this value if you calculate you will get 0.0662. So 15 minus 0.0662 is equal to 14.93 meter. So here in this question you have to calculate the difference in datum head between the two ends of the pipe, that is Z2 minus Z1, that is 14.93 meter. So in this question you have to calculate the difference in datum head of the datum head, determine the difference in datum head, that value is 14.93 meter. Now you are going to solve another problem that you have to read. The water is flowing through a pipe having diameter 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter at the bottom and the upper end respectively. The intensity of pressure is also given. The intensity of pressure bottom end is 29.40 Newton per centimeter square, and the pressure at the upper end is given 14.715 Newton per centimeter square. Here you have to calculate the difference in datum head if the rate of flow through the pipe is 50 liter per second. So accordingly, first you have to write the given data. So D1 is equal to 30 centimeter, then you have to convert to meter, divide by 100, that will come 0.30 meter. Then D2 is equal to 15 centimeter, then divide 100, that will come 0.15 meter. The both end pressure is given, that is P1, but the pressure at the bottom end P1 is equal to 29.40, then Newton per centimeter square. Now you are converting Newton per centimeter square to Newton per meter square. That's why you are multiplying 10 to the power 4. So that will come 29.40 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. Like that we can write the pressure at the upper end P2 is equal to 14.715 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. Like that, here also Q is given, the rate of flow 50 liter per second. You are converting liter per second to meter cube per second, then you are multiplying 10 to the power minus 3. So 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. Now you are calculating area at the bottom end of this pipe. A1 is equal to pi by 4 d1 square, that is pi by 4 into 0.30 square, that will come 0.0706 meter square. Like that we can calculate the area at the upper end. A2 is equal to pi by 4 d2 square, then pi by 4 into 0.15 square, that will come 0.0177 meter square. Then you are calculating the area at the both end. Now you are calculating the velocity at the both end. So velocity of the liquid at the bottom end, V1 is equal to Q by A1, that is 50 into 10 to the power 3 by 0.0706 is equal to 0.70 meter per second. Like that we can calculate the velocity at the upper end. The upper end V2 is equal to Q by A2 is equal to 50 into 10 to the power 3 by 0.0177. That value will come 2.82 meter per second. Now you are applying the Bernoulli's equation, that is P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. So here you have to calculate the difference in datum head, that is Z2 minus Z1 is equal to P1 by rho g minus P2 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g minus V2 square by 2g. So here we can calculate 29.40 into 10 to the power 4 by density of the water 1000 into 9.81 minus P2 is given 14.715 into 10 to the power 4 by 1000 into 9.81 plus B1 square, that is 0.70 square by 2 into 9.81 minus 2.82 square by 2 into 9.81. So easily you can calculate Z2 minus Z1 is equal to 14.96 minus 0.38, that will come 14.57 meter. So easily now you can calculate the difference in datum head between the two end of the pipe, that is Z2 minus Z1, that value will come 14.57 meter. So here you have to calculate the difference in the datum head, that is value is 14.57 meter. So today you are solved two problems based upon the Bernoulli's equation. So this is the last problem. Now this is completed. Thank you.